paper chasing, now let it chase me. Granted to an ounce, started banging 80s. Niggas know my name, they probably would snake me. Enemies, they come daily. A lot come daily.
What's up, guys? Today we have an 043 series. Basically, what we're going to be doing is a wheel on detail. We're getting everything pretty much that you can see on this boat. Everything black in the car with this interior detailer cleaner, and I got all of the leather, all the tan leather with this.
You're gonna have to get up here. It's real dusty, so we're gonna try to wipe that. Other than that, we're about to get on to the next stages on this vehicle here. We're gonna do the carpets. I didn't bring what I thought I brought. It's alright. And what's a visit down here without hitting the alley up? Yes, sir. Hold on. Yep. Y'all already know ceramic, blah, 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 blah. Alright, so as you can see, decontaminating wheels. So it hasn't been cleaned in a while. You're always going to tell the difference between front and the rear when you decon them, because the rear is going to be a lot less purple. Needless to say, if you let it go long enough, you will get purple on the rear wheel. And that's not saying anything about the product I'm using. That's just, the rear wheel doesn't make that much dirt, or rust, should I say. But yeah, this has been dwelling, as you can see. Starting to air out a little bit. I'm gonna get these wheels done, then we're gonna move on to the body. Interior is pretty much 100%. Well, I'll say it's 95%. Just got done scrubbing out the mats. I didn't know I was gonna need to scrub, so I didn't bring my drill or nothing. But of course, the driver's the worst. Got those spots out. So yeah, I'm gonna put this bad boy back on the charger and I'll holla. As you can see, we got a lot of fallout coming off. Fallout removers. Like, basically what I wanted to say is right now, if it's a first time detail or if it's somebody that you know they do a lot of driving, you can't go wrong. Invest in some good products. I mean, as you can see, my brushes, they look cheap and cheesy, but my product is doing all the work. My brushes are just a system. That's what the tools do. The tools assist the good products. The good products don't assist the tools. At the end of the day, this is a craft that not everybody is really going to be good at or really care to be good at. You gotta pick and choose and ask yourself, like, is washing cars something I want to do? For me, it's pleasure and it's business. I like doing what I do. Sometimes it might get misunderstood on the price. But sometimes, not all the time. Now, any other wheel I probably wouldn't hit with this hard brush. But this wheel's a little older, so as he said, don't let it look like a 16-year-old car when I'm done. So that's what the goal is. That's what we're gonna try to accomplish today. But yeah, let me turn this camera off. You got even a little bit of purple turning up here. Yeah, I do that too. Yeah, I do that too. We polishing this, and we're gonna coat it with some ceramic. So we gotta get whatever I can off the paint, especially in the trouble areas. That's the must. But yep. All right, baby. Home stretch. Inside we have did the interior, floors, doors, seats, dash, center console, rear deck, interior, finito, except for the windows on the inside. That'll be last. As far as the paint, rinsed down, fully decontaminated. As you can see, it's pretty fucking shiny, but you see the imperfections, minor imperfections. And we're about to polish it with the Diamond Shine. Easy application, deep cleaning action, high gloss shine. First step, going to buff it out with this and ceramic it. Wheels have already been ceramic that I got there. See, he's on break time, extended break time. I'm sweating. We gonna get it. I'm gonna show y'all what this wax lays like. I'm gonna show y'all how thin I lay it, because like I told you guys before, it's not how thick you lay your wax on, it's the product. The product's gonna speak for itself. Give me a few, be right back at you.
Right now, we're going through the punch the bag. The car had a lot of dirt on it. This is what we have left. We got the tires nice. They're gonna be shiny because they're not chrome. He's still got to finish up. But we got that Audi done. That's the last part of the day. After that side, he got this side.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope you like it in the daytime. Yep. Alright, so like I said, we polished it. Y'all saw that. You didn't see me ceramic coat it because I was trying to be quick. I even had to bring out the detailer for the ceramic coating. level it. But yeah, sorry about that. They got the interior flipped and flopped. I don't like that. Is that on the outside? That is on the outside. I'm gonna wipe that real quick. I mean, this is how we packed. We about to go. So I'll get with y'all. Believe in yourself. Don't believe the haters. You gotta do it. Nobody's gonna do it for you. So you dream to do it. You dream to be a do-it-yourselfer. Don't knock me. Don't knock me.